Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial over at the MoroccanBlogger.com. Today we're gonna go through something that it's really not new. It's an old plugin, but I just stumbled upon it and decided to use it. And much to my surprise, I keep telling myself, where was this all my life? Because it's an amazing plugin. What we're talking about here is Thrive landing pages. Well, the trick is there are two versions. There's Thrive landing pages and Thrive content. I don't really remember the name exactly, but if you buy the Thrive content one, you would get two modules. One that you can use not just to create landing pages, but you'll be able to update your posts and pages within WordPress. So within the same theme, you can add in a lot of stuff to it, which is a neat feature. And we'll go through that as well. But for now, we'll just go ahead and start a new page, and we'll show you how to use it to create a simple squeeze page or a thank you page. And you'll also be able to see what is possible. All right, so when it's activated, you'll be able to see this button, which is Edit with Thrive Content Builder. All right, and here it gives you the choice of either adding stuff here, which is the feature that I'm talking about, that I was telling you about. You can add images, you can add stuff, and the beauty of it is that you can see stuff live. You know, you don't have to switch between this, refresh, go back. You can see everything on the same page. This is the feature that allows you to change everything on the same page. But what we're gonna do now is choose a landing page. Let's go. As you can see, there are a lot of choices here to choose from. A lot of designs, email confirmation page, thank you pages, download pages, like video course pages, as you can see here, sales page videos, text videos. There's so many to choose from, but we'll just opt for this test for a blank page so we can show you what you can do with it. All right, so as you can see, this is basic stuff. What you can do is you can either change this and choose a logo of your own, or you can just get rid of it. And now you have all these options right here to choose from. So let's just, you can center this like this. You don't have to highlight the whole text and then center it. You can just click on center and it will happen. You can choose different fonts. Let's see, custom fonts. You can actually add more, but I don't really need to, because the ones that it comes with are fine. You can also bold everything. Might not happen for this. All right, you can also add, this is a very neat feature, custom HTML. You can add any sort of HTML code to this. This would be useful if you want to add in a embed code from YouTube, or from Vimeo, or from any other video hosting website. The other thing you can do, I mean, the choices here are limitless because you can do so much with it. And again, the amazing part about it is the fact that you can actually just see everything live on the same screen without having to go between tabs. Images, you can have images, you can download them to your media library on WordPress. Custom CSS buttons, there are icons that you can download from other websites for free and use them. Let's play around with one of these. Add icon. Yeah, plenty of these. I had to download these from another website. Yeah, you have YouTube. You can, again, center it, put it anywhere you want. You can make it into a link. There you go, clickable image. There you go. One other thing that you might want to do is add in a opt-in form. and that you can do this way. We'll have to look for the one. Testimonial, call to action, widgets, lead generation. You drag it and you click anywhere and this shows up, and you can click connect with service. You can do you can click with whatever you're using. For this I have API or HTML form code. Go to the next step and then you can just paste the HTML form code from any autoresponder, Aweber, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, whatever you have, whatever service you're using, you can easily link them together. And what it usually does is parses the HTML code, and it can find out if you're asking for a name and email or for more information, and it usually shows up all the fields automatically. One other thing I didn't show you is that when it gives you that option, you get to, when you do add in a HTML form, you have to create a sign up form and GetResponse, for instance, and you have to choose the redirect URL by yourself when you're using the HTML form way. But if you're using API, it does ask you for a redirect URL right here somewhere. Let me show you that. Next step, you choose which one, save, and then you go down here and then you click redirect URL, you paste in the URL and you click save, and you're good to go. That's just for the sake of example. What else can you do? You have two options of adding videos. You can either do this, but this is pretty I guess doesn't give you as many options. It only gives you YouTube or Vimeo. For Vimeo, you just put in the URL of the video and it just put it up here. But you can always just go back up here and drag custom HTML, put in the embed code, and it shows up automatically, and you can play with it. You know, it would not show up as the size that you want. You can adjust the width and the height of the video. There's, as you can see, there's so much you can do with this, and you can revert back to theme if you want. And again, if you're just trying to create one of those fancy blog posts with all the bells and whistles, you can do that. Let's see. As you see, you can do WordPress content, icons. There's just, again, you know, so much you can do with this. The possibilities are limitless, and it's not very expensive. It only cost me about $60 for a single license. The unlimited license I think costs about $80, so not too expensive compared to other plugins out there. And I'm referring to the other one that costs about $300 for an unlimited license, and it was not the best of plugins. I've always been on the fence before trying to get Thrive content builder, but to be honest, I should have gotten it a lot sooner. So I hope this was helpful, and I want you to try it out. There's a link below the video, and good luck with it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.